Alright, let's talk about money. Not just the kind you spend on coffee or rent, but the kind that can actually work for you and grow over time. Money isn't just a tool for survival, it's a tool for building the life you want. Not just making it, but growing it. Imagine your money as seeds. If you plant them wisely, they can blossom into something much bigger than what you started with. I'm here to break down the basics of building wealth through investing, especially if you're just starting out. Whether you're a student, a young professional, or just someone looking to take control of your financial future, this is for you. Now I know the stock market sounds intimidating. All those numbers, charts, and headlines can make it feel like a high-stakes game only experts can play. It's got that mysterious vibe like you need a secret password just to get in. But the truth is, the world of investing is more open than ever before. But guess what? You don't. Anyone can invest. With just a smartphone and a few dollars, you can start your journey toward financial independence. And the earlier you start, the more you unlock that magic of compounding. Compounding is like a snowball rolling down a hill. It might start small, but over time it grows faster and bigger, all on its own. First, let's clear something up. Investing isn't just for the rich or for people who wear suits all day. It's for anyone who wants to take charge of their future, no matter their background or starting point. Even if you've only got a little money to spare each month, you can make it work for you. Every dollar counts, and small consistent steps can lead to big results over time. Think of your dollars like employees. Each one has the potential to earn more for you if you put it in the right place. You want them out there working, not just sitting around in your checking account. Idle money loses value over time due to inflation, so let's put it to work. So, where do you start? The world of investing can seem overwhelming, but you don't need to know everything to begin. I always say, start with what you know. If you use certain products or services every day, look into the companies behind them. If you're brand new, look into index funds or ETFs. These are great for beginners because they spread your risk across many companies. These are like giant baskets of stocks, so your money's not riding on one company. If one company struggles, the others can help balance things out. It's spread out, which means less stress if one stock tanks. Diversification is your safety net in the world of investing. Next, set it and forget it. Automation is your friend. Set up automatic transfers so you don't have to think about it every month. Seriously, consistency is your best friend. The habit of investing regularly is more important than trying to time the market perfectly. Invest a set amount every month, rain or shine, market up or down. This discipline helps you build wealth steadily, no matter what's happening in the news. That's called dollar cost averaging, and it can help smooth out the wild swings of the market. Over time, this strategy can lower your average cost per share and reduce risk. And hey, don't sleep on education. The more you learn, the more confident you'll feel making decisions with your money. There are endless free resources like books, podcasts, even YouTube channels, just like this one, where you can soak up knowledge before you dive in. Take advantage of these tools to build your financial literacy. The more you know, the less likely you'll panic and sell at the wrong time. Knowledge helps you stay calm and stick to your plan, even when the market gets rocky. One more thing, ignore the hype. The media loves drama, but your financial journey is about steady progress, not chasing headlines. There's always someone bragging about the next big thing. Crypto, meme stocks, whatever. Don't get distracted by the noise or feel pressured to follow the crowd. Instead, focus on your own goals, your own timeline, set clear milestones and track your progress, no matter how small each step may seem. Wealth isn't built overnight. It's a slow, steady process, like growing a tree or building a house one brick at a time. It's built by making smart choices over and over. Every decision you make adds up, and over the years, those choices can transform your financial future. So, to wrap this up, invest early, invest often, and keep learning. Remember, your journey is unique, and every step forward is progress. Your future self will thank you. The habits you build today will pay off in ways you can't even imagine yet. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips. Share this with a friend who's ready to start their own wealth-building journey. Here's to unlocking your wealth, one smart move at a time. Start today and watch your future grow brighter with every step you take.